Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your default font size. This font size guys, you want to set in your default size, so as you can set, and guys how to set in this video guys I am going to show you. In this video guys I will show you. So friends, first of all, if you new in my channel, so guys go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll display setting, tap here guys, advanced, scroll again, font size, tap here. So you can see guys this a large size and small, and default size guys, we have default size, tap here. So your font default size will set. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font size in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.